What's good, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. Are you guys tired of spending so much money on a hard drive? Well, my friend, in this video I have a solution for you. This right here is a Western Digital hard drive. It has 1 terabyte in here, and I bought this for about $70. That's a lot of money for just 1 terabyte. Bruh, what the freak? What the heck? So, like I said, I found a solution. Maybe you guys already found out before I did. This is how I save money on hard drives, and especially if you're gonna be a YouTuber or you like to make videos, or you know, just put a whole bunch of documents into your hard drive. My friend, check it out. Further ado, let me introduce you guys to this product. Boom, right there. It is called UGREEN. I am not sponsored, so just to let you guys know that. Sorry for the glare. This is brand new, factory sealed from Amazon. I bought this for $10. Bruh. So basically, if you have any 2.5 inch hard drive sitting around, you know, the SATA hard drive or an SSD or whatever. I don't know if you're gonna have an SSD lying around. Normally you just take that and slap it into your PC and okay, anyways, but yeah, if you have just a regular like laptop hard drive lying around and you want it to be useful and you want to utilize it, but get this thing right here and turn it into one of these so you can carry it around. You can use it for your PS4, your Xbox, your PC, anything. Because for me, my PC only has 500 gigabytes. 500 gigabytes, that's not a lot nowadays, you feel me? What I wanted to do was get more storage for, you know, like gaming and all my other videos, music, pictures, and all that. And I didn't want to spend like $100 to $200 on freaking like those big ass hard drives or another one of these right here. So for $10, you take one of these. This is a standard laptop hard drive and turn that bad boy into this bad boy, or this bad girl into this bad girl, because you know they baddies and stuff like that. I actually went and bought 2, count them, 2,
with the addition of 2, count them, 2 marshmallows
of these things right here, and I had opened one and I turned it into a portable hard drive. I also put 1 terabyte. Don't mind my handwriting, is pretty bad, sorry about that. This is what it looks like right out the box, you feel me? I already put in my 1 terabyte in here, and this is my second hard drive right here, which is only 500 gigabytes. That's standard. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna turn it into this. I said that so many times, sorry about that. Further ado, let me just open up the box. All right, okay, cool. Jesus, talk too much. Yeah, so be careful, y'all, this is pretty dangerous. Okay, super sharp. All right, factory sealed, brand new. I love it when it's like that. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the specs. Let me do that real quick. So this thing right here is a case for your hard drive. It is a USB 3.0, which is really fast. The max this product can transfer is 6 terabytes. It only fits the 2.5 hard drives, so you know, like I said, the standard laptop hard drives and all that. Other than that, it's really straightforward. You can use this for basically anything. All right, jeez. Please subscribe to my channel, please, y'all. Stay, quit leaving, all right? Come on, man. I'm trying my best here. Whoa, that's this is the unboxing. All right, in this box, that's the box itself right there. Oh my goodness. All right, you get this little paper thing that says thank you. You feel me? Like, thank you for supporting, thank you for buying. And this one is your manual. So just in case you don't know how to open this, just flip through this real quick and it'll show you, you know, you got to put some pressure down to push out and all that. All right. Yeah, buddy, dang. You know what? Let me change my camera up a little bit. Don't mind my desk is really messy, okay? Sorry about that. Okay. So you get the cover itself right here, case, whatever you want to call it, case. We'll just stick with a case. And you get your 3.0 USB, just so nice, man. This right here was my selling point right here. This was the selling point for me, the 3.0, because that, man, that's super fast. And you need that for your PS4 anyways, and probably the PS5. What am I doing? You got a little sticker thing right here. Yeah, well, there you go, that's how it looks like once again. Okay, to open this, it has a little arrow pointing up, or this little stair or pyramid, triangle, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, push down. See that? And you just slide it right off. Boom. It's nice too, it has this little cushion on the side. Keep your hard drive safe. All right. Now, get your hard drive. 2.5, okay? Remember that. 2.5 inches. That's what she said. Okay, now you take this, you just put it right here, make sure it's super flat, slide that bad boy in, just slide it in, all the way until you you know, get a little click, or you feel that it's connected, you know. You'll know, don't worry. This one is a little thicker than my other one. That's also what she said. All right, enough of that. You take this, then you slide this bad boy right back on. Oh, that was a fail. Like so, satisfying. There you go. You got your very own hard drive for $10. Boom. And it's portable. What? And you get this thing around. Sorry guys, I'm just really hyped. Alright guys, so what I got is my WD, which is Western Dental. A Western Digital hard drive that is a 1 terabyte, and then I also got my extra 1 terabyte hard drive, which used to be a laptop's hard drive, and I converted into a portable hard drive. And now, bam, I got a 500 gigabytes. Like I said, if you're gonna be a YouTuber or a filmmaker or whatever, or do music, you're gonna need a whole bunch of hard drives anyways to store everything, because your computer does not have enough space for it, especially if you're gonna play games and all that. So I know a lot of people have like 10 or 20, I don't know, but yeah. Oops, I dropped my stuff. Alright, to show you guys that I'm not jazzing out here, I got this plugged in right here. This one is my 500 gigabyte. I'm gonna plug into my laptop like so. Ooh, the light turns on right there. Put that to the side. You can hear it, boom, 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 and that popped up. Can you guys see? Oh, my fault. My fault. This is my main hard drive, which is the SSD right there. This one's just my extra hard drive. I don't know how I did that, but I got 4.88 gigabytes in there. I don't know how I did that. And right there, extra hard drive, that's my E. I have 500 in there, which is 465. I don't know why they do that. So that works. That's pretty cool. And this is my 1 terabyte hard drive. You guys see it? It's a Seagate 1 terabyte hard drive. Hopefully this will help out anybody that's looking for hard drives and don't want to spend too much money. You could just use whatever hard drive you got lying around, spend $10 on it, and boom, there you go. This is a hack. This is your only cheap option, basically. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was entertaining. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. If you guys did, please smash that like button.
Smash, smash, smash.
Subscribe to your homie for more content. I'm gonna be posting every 3 days, I believe, or I'm trying to. Whatever I find that I could film that I feel that is helpful and I enjoy mostly, yeah, I'll do that. So stay tuned, subscribe, like my videos, do all that good stuff, okay? And yeah, man, yeah. All right, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. All right, boy, calm down. You're just. Hell no, that's my energy, bruh. Yeah!